Hey, it's Radical Dan. Got a new experiment I'm trying out. Today's the perfect day to do it because it's really hot and it's really muggy. So, I'll show you the beginning of it right here. This, yeah, it's hot, good deal. This is what they call a peltier circuit, or a peltier module. It come out of one of those little coolers. Yeah, see, this side's cold and this side is hot. Okay, when you put 12 volts to it, one side of the module will get hot, one side of it will get cold. Now, if you don't put electricity to it, you can actually set one of these up to a heat source where the heat source is higher than the cool side, whatever, and it'll actually produce electricity. So that's really cool. It's backwards that way. It goes either or. But what I'm doing is, because it's really hot and humid, I figured, okay, I'll take this out, and if I can apply 12 volts from like the battery bank coming off solar panels, if I can apply 12 volts to this side and then put a fan on it, I mean, what that'll do is it'll create heat on this side, it'll create coolness on this side. Okay, now being cool here and being really hot and humid outside, what this should do is this should start condensing water out of the humid atmosphere, and it should, like, I should be able to pull water, basically pull water out of the air. So I'm gonna check it. It's like 2 o'clock. I'm gonna come back in a couple hours and I'm gonna see what it did, because I can feel this side's cold and yeah, this side's hot already. So I'm gonna see what it does and then I'll make an update and then I'll put them together. So yeah, that's what we got. We're gonna see if we can't pull water out of the atmosphere from the humidity by using solar power. So that's what we're doing. Alright, catch you in a little bit. Hey, it's Radical Dan. It's been actually a few hours. You can see a little bit of water condensation right here. It's working, but it's working kind of slow. I don't know how much power it takes to do it. I don't know how much power this draws, but it's proof of concept. And you see, battery banks are at 12.6. You start at 12.8. What the hell is that fly? A moth? That's fucking huge, isn't it? Anyway, so it's holding up good. And this is really cold and it's got water all over it, but I don't know how long it takes. So if I had, more of these, maybe a little higher power ones or something like that, but basically that's the idea. I imagine if I left it for a couple days, it would probably pull it would pull water out of the air like that, but I just want to try it, and get it working and see how all that stuff, because when you put an ice cube in a glass and you take it outside, when it's hot and humid, it gets the water condenses on the outside of it, and that's from the atmosphere. So it's the same idea basically, with a cold surface and hot humid air. But yeah, anyway, the sun's been peeking in and out today. That might be part of it. No, I don't think it is, because yeah, my battery banks are picking up the slack. So anyway, it works, but I'll have to figure out how to make it work better. Alright, have a good one.